Here's added information on the key for my BMW, the E39 528I. Mine's 97. So this is how you set off the panic alarm button, or panic alarm. But here's the button for it. So here's the trunk button. So as long as you hold it down, don't push it. If you hold it down, it will set. You will activate the panic alarm. So you'll see this light right here. It'll blink once, and it'll start blink. It'll start flashing. So let's do it. 1, 2. So to disarm it, just open your doors. Then we're good to go.